Hey everyone, welcome back. If you use YouTube every day, there are three settings you need to change right now. One consumes your mobile data and battery, another can hide videos from your feed without you even realizing it, and the last one could affect your privacy. So in this video, I'm gonna show you all three settings and exactly how to turn them off. Let's start with the first one. Open YouTube, tap your profile picture, go to Settings, tap General. Now tap Playback and Feeds. If this option is set to always on, YouTube automatically starts playing videos while you are scrolling. Even if you don't watch them, YouTube still loads those previews in the background. That means more mobile data usage, more battery drain, and extra background activity that you probably don't need. If you want to save data and battery, change this to off. From now on, videos will only play when you actually tap on them. Now let's move to the second setting. While you are in the general setting page, look for restricted mode. This setting filters out content that YouTube considers potentially mature. While it's designed for shared devices or younger users, it can also hide perfectly normal videos from your recommendations, search results, and even some channels. If you are an adult using your own phone and don't need content filtering, make sure restricted mode is turned off so you can see all the available content. Now for the final setting. Go back to the general setting page, scroll down and open privacy. Here find allow others to mention me. When this option is enabled, other users can mention your account in comments, video titles, and descriptions. Although mentions can sometimes be useful, but it can lead to unwanted notifications or your account being tagged by people you don't know. If you don't want that, simply turn this option off. It gives you more control over who can mention your account. And that's it. Three simple settings that can help save battery, reduce mobile data usage, give you access to more content, and improve your privacy on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.